Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Neller, and I'm just here to give you a brief overview of what we'll be doing this week in pre-calculus. And let me share my screen with you so that you can see our weekly schedule. This is the schedule then for the week of August 31st. This is our first week of school. So on Monday, we're going to meet in Google Meet, and I'll talk to you about joining Remind and completing a student information form on Google. On Tuesday, we'll also meet in Google Meet, and we'll go over my class expectations in the syllabus, and then your assignment will be to complete a fun syllabus quiz just so you can practice taking a quiz in Canvas if you've never done that before. On Wednesday, we'll also be in Google Meet, and we will go over any questions that you have. We'll do some icebreaker activities, and then we will also talk about your pre-course review worksheet. On Thursday, we'll have an optional Google Meet if you have questions on the pre-course review. That's just meant to get you back into math mode and get you thinking again. You will have to turn the worksheet in. So where it says submit this worksheet, that's where you can take pictures of your worksheet and then upload those pictures so that I can see all your work. After Thursday, after we meet for that optional Google meeting, you'll have to watch the video notes for section 1.1, day 1, and complete that book assignment. The book is available online. I can show you that in a moment as well. This homework assignment, though, I'm not going to grade, so you're doing it for practice. And then there's also a pre-take worksheet. I'll give you a pre-take worksheet at the start of every section that the pre-take goes over. And after you've done all the notes for section 1.1, both days, you should be able to do number 1 and number 2 on the pre-take. So I give that to students when we start those sections so they have it. Some students choose to work on them later as well. And then on Friday, again, we'll have another optional Google Meet. If you want to attend and ask questions about the pre-course review, you can. And then you'll also have to watch the second day of video notes for section 1.1 and complete that book assignment. And that book assignment you will turn in. That won't be due though until Tuesday before the start of school at 7:45. Okay, the pre-course review worksheet, that will be due on Friday by 3 p.m. And let me show you one more thing. Let me show you where your course resources are. If you always go to home, this is your home page that every teacher will have. Weekly schedule is where I just was, and the course resources look like this. It's a module page, and here's everything that we have for chapter 1. Here's our assignment guide. There's your chapter 1 of pre-calculus of the book. There's also a notes link. Here's a worksheets link, so that's where you can find another copy of the pre-course review and the 1.1 to 1.2 pre-take. All the solutions are here for the textbook as well. And then there's a link to get you back to the weekly schedule where I was just at. As we have more assignments, I will add them here. And as we have quizzes, I will add them at the bottom as well. So you can find them in another location. At the very bottom of this page, here's the syllabus and the syllabus quiz. There's the Google student information form that I mentioned that we'll be doing on Monday. And then there's the pre-course review worksheet linked again for you, and the Remind invites for first and third hour linked again. So I know that's a lot of information, but as always, if you have questions, let me know.